Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a human hair straight wig. This is a 16-inch headband wig. It is straight. It comes with two headbands. It comes with a net cap and this cute little box that you just seen earlier. And then as far as the wig, it does come with two combs in the front, a comb at the back, and then it comes with adjustable straps so that it can fit any head size. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a straight headband wig. This is 16 inches. This is how the wig is looking. So before I do any alterations, I do want to show you guys how it looks exactly with nothing done to it. So I'm gonna put it on. It's fairly thin to me, in my opinion. It's fairly thin. It feels like a 100 density. So I do have some bundles in my closet that I'm going to go ahead and add to this wig. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Hey y'all, so I am back with styling the wig. I flat ironed it and I laid down my baby hairs, and of course I did my makeup. So as you can see, this hair is very thin. Later on I might go in and add some bundles to it, but to be honest, I'm probably not going to do it. I'm just going to rock it like this. It looks more on the natural side, so later on I'm going to get a longer wig, headband wig, but I'm going to make sure it's actually 150 because, sweetie, this looks like it's about 100 density. So this is the front, the side, and then this is all the hair to the back. And yeah, can I full tracks? I don't necessarily feel tracks because I don't think they doubled the tracks, but sweetie, it's very thin. You can add curls and whatnot, but you shouldn't have to do that if you bought a straight hair unit. So I'm going to jump into my details and specs on this wig. And yeah, this is 100% human hair. I believe this is Brazilian. It is 16 inches. The texture is soft. I did notice that it does have fairly some short pieces in this hair. So maybe that's why it's not as thick as it should be. What else? The cap is small and big head friendly. You can adjust it to how your preference because of the strap that you can use. It does come with two combs that you can utilize and a comb in the back so that you can secure the wig. I did not have any shedding. I don't have any tangling. So overall, this is a good wig. The only con is that it's fairly thin. So if that is not a problem for you, then I do recommend this wig. This wig is very affordable, very cheap. I believe this wig was $49 for a 16-inch. So that's not bad at all. Like, not at all. The only thing is that it's fairly natural looking. Very natural looking than... because I prefer natural looking wigs, but for this one, this is kind of too thin. And let's see the cut. The cut looks a bit choppy. It don't look, you know, I had to bump it, but yeah. So other than that, that is all that I have to say on this unit. It is affordable. It's just thin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was nice seeing you guys. Don't forget to check out my blogs and my makeup tutorials. And yeah, I see you guys later. Happy Sunday.